Welcome to another edition of Question and Answer with a Criminal Defense Attorney. I'm Mark Solomon, a defense attorney in the Denver metropolitan area of Colorado, and today's question is about deferred judgments. So before we get going, don't forget to like the video, click subscribe and the little bell next to it to get notified of future videos. Let's get to the question. What is a deferred judgment? Well, in the case assessment stage of any criminal defense, you're going to have to come to some sort of conclusion about whether or not you want to go to trial. And a deferred judgment is where you plead guilty to something and then follow the terms and conditions of the deferred judgment. It could be a number of different things. For domestic violence classes, that could be supervised probation period. There could be domestic violence classes. It could be an anger management course. It could be community service. And at the other end of that time period, be it 6 months, a year, 2 years, 4 years, at the other end of that time, if compliant, the case is dismissed. If the entire case was under a deferred judgment agreement, then the entire case gets dismissed, and then you can appeal to have it sealed. I'm talking about that in another video. I'll try to put a card so you can link to that one to see how do you seal a case. But if it is a split plea, on the other hand, then the charge to which was deferred gets dismissed but not sealed. So in other words, on some mid-level felony cases, we can do split pleas where you get a deferred judgment to the felony charge but a misdemeanor conviction. And oftentimes we do probation and the deferred judgment at the same time. That's called concurrent. So that is the question and answer for today. If you would like your own question answered on a future video, you can put it in the comments below, email it to me, or you can tag the question with me on Twitter. And as always, you have a right to remain silent. If a police officer asks you what you've done, where you've been, what you have, or what you know, you always have a right to say, "I don't want to talk to you," or "I want a lawyer."